Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. So in this video, we're gonna create our own basic Nmap scanner. So I think it's always very important to know and to understand like how these things work, and like in case of emergency, you can create a simple thing, a simple program that does the same thing on your own. Python file and just in the main.py. First off, you're gonna import the py figlet. Next, we're gonna import some sockets, and we're gonna create a target. We're gonna create a target IP address. I'm just going for my local host, so that is 127.0.0.1. So you can right here you can enter just a target you wanna scan. Okay, we're gonna make an ASCII banner with the pyflat and the format. So what we're gonna say is this is Christoph's, let's say Christoph scanner. Christoph is my name. And let's maybe do it all capital. Sorry. Oh, why is my caps lock not working? Okay, and let's say just Christoph's also. Christoph scanner. Like, great. Okay, we're gonna print the ASCII. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're gonna print the ASCII banner. Okay, next up, we're gonna create a function. This function is gonna perform like the port scan. So we're gonna say function port scan, and this function is gonna have a port parameter, of course, to scan. So we're gonna make a try, and we're gonna create an accept. In the accept, we're gonna say like there is nothing, so we're gonna return false. No ports are open, so none ports are found. Okay, in the try we want to create like our socket stream, and so we're gonna use the socket.sock stream, and we're gonna say af ethernet. So if you type sock or socket equals the socket, and here we're gonna say socket.af inet, and we're gonna say socket.sock stream. So this is the basic things. You can change this to UDP, TCP. That is just the settings we are doing right here. Let's make this a space. Next, what we want to do is we want to set a timeout. Why? We just want to set a sock timeout from 1 second. Set timeout, of course. So we have 1 second timeout, so it's gonna pause like for 1 second, and then we're gonna make the sock pin connection, and we're gonna connect this socket to the target and the port. So the target right over here and the port right over here. Okay, before you can do this, you need to add one more. So like this, like if you hover over the connect, you can see self address. Yeah. Okay. So the target is this one over here. Sorry, I was looking for my target, but it's here. And the port is the parameter we're gonna enter right here. Next, what we want is we want the service name, of course, that we can return, so we know like what server is open. So we say socket.get server by port, and of course we're gonna get in the port. So it's gonna watch like which server is running on this port. So if this completed, we're gonna return a true. So the port is open, and we're gonna return the service name. Okay, if we wanna run this program, what we wanna do is we wanna set some ports. So for, let's say, port in range, let's just say from 1 to port let's say to port 1000. Let's see if I have any open ports. Let's say maybe just 8000 because I to port 8000. So what we want here is we want to here create a result. We want to create a result. So true is the port open, false the port is not open, and we want to create a service. And we're gonna get this one from the port scan. And in this one, we're gonna enter this port number. So this port number is gonna be in a range from 1 to 8000. And this is gonna be our result. So we have a true or false, and we have a service name as a string. Now, if the result, of course, if the result is true, we wanna print this. So we're gonna print this. We're gonna print this nice out. So we have a port. Let's say this port is the port, of course, and we have the port is open, and let's say service running on the port is the service running on the port. Okay. So what this program does is it's going to create our ASCII banner. You can put right here whatever you want, and we're going to create a port scanner to check out if the port is open. If the port is open, it's going to print a line port with the port number is open and the service that is running on that port. So it's a really basic scanner. Let's see if this already is working. So you see Christoph's scanner. It's my scanner. So what we see is we have some ports open. Here's a Microsoft DS. This is my MySQL database is open. So this is like a basic nmap scanner. Okay, so maybe in the next video, if you guys like this, you can comment down below. Maybe in some other video, we can create like some switches we can enter, or we can expand this basic program. But I think this was a really fun program to make. It's a fast scanner. It doing its job. Like maybe let's say like we want to create an nmap 127.0.0.1. Let's see. And if you, like you see, like this is the basic scan, and this is the exact same as we have here, like 7,500, 5,000, and 455, 759, 53306, 445. It's exactly the same, and the services are also the same. So I think this is a great project to demonstrate your skills in Python and to have just some fun with. You can play around with this, and yeah. So if you guys like this, I will show you guys some more in the next video. Bye.